Welcome to Surgical Instrument Manufacturers Incorporated. Sims Surgical was originally founded over 50 years ago by two master craftsmen who emigrated from Tuttlingen, Germany. This old world master craftsmanship is still at the core of who we are, and today we apply that precision with cutting edge technology to deliver devices at the highest levels of quality. We understand that quality is only half the challenge, and because we are vertically integrated, we're able to also offer some of the industry's best lead times. The Sims Surgical customer experience does not end at quality instruments with a quick turnaround. Our attentive sales team is passionate about details and will be available to assist at any point to ensure your questions are answered. For more information, call or email us today.